some rice vendors are still selling rice 60 pesos per kilogram. Officials from the Department of Trade and Industry, or DTI, and Department of Agriculture, or DA, discovered this when they did a special price and supply check at the Trabajo Market in Sampaloc, Manila. This is also related to the plan to implement the maximum suggested retail price of 58 pesos per kilogram for imported rice. According to the vendors, they are just selling old stock and will replace it with rice at a lower price soon. Aside from rice, the agencies also check the prices of other essential products.
Yun naman din po ang sabi ng aming secretary, kaya nga po hindi niya agad po na-implement dahil nga alam niya na may mga stocks pa tayo. So, ang ini-expect po natin talaga within the next few days siguro or weeks ba, pwede ba na po natin talagang strictly ma-implement po yung 58. At bababa pa po kasi yan eh. So, talagang kailangan po may adjustment period po tayo.